Left that alone. That cat me name brother and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead? That now go happen. That will never happen. Yeah man, I hold it for things there for reason about man. Big up the fans them in our place, you know? Yes, brother,
You see, a big buckle there I drink from.
Alright.
Any?
Oh.
Yeah.
See, you know?
As you can see, a red stripe, may I go with it?
Yeah, we now cross the border.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, I don't believe so much cross the border.
You can't test it still in a brooksie?
No, sir. No.
Never do it yet?
Me never try that something there, you know. You know, me see it all the while and them boy.
Flavor it, bigger buckle.
Oh, the bigger buckle.
Yeah, yeah.
Me kind of comfortable with my small buckle still, you know. Because here and now. Me no feel like I should have crossed my drink. No time. I rum
cross drink still, you know?
If I rum and water, me drink, you know.
If I'm beer done, me not drink Guinness Heineken.
That if a beer done.
Hey.
Yeah, me drink Heineken.
But me not go up on the top shit.
Here, you have enough man, you know. I rum and water, me drink. But true, you come from America last night and say if you take a drink.
Or you come with NOC.
Me take boom. Or me take Magnum. Remember rum and water did my drink, you know. Daily a rum and water me buy. But true, you come last night from America, me I take Magnum today. Me work with me rum and water, man. Me good with me rum and water.
Yeah. I want to ask you something, you say, Brooksie. What you think about the time where we take to get back Coran and Hurricane of Blue?
Yes, today.
The time where we take to get back Coran from the liquor rain fall and the high wind pass.
That's when the rain they fall. No, yesterday.
No.
Wednesday.
About Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Monday. And all today some people still not get back light yet. That look good.
Then suppose hurricane did blow.
You can imagine. You'd along for your cold drinks.
Yeah, because I realize that a 2 day me no have current fire. No?
Alright, hurricane no blow.
And me never seen a hurricane blow. Me no know.
That show you how slack the system is. Yeah, that just show you how slack the system is.
So when you say system slack?
Then the system no must slack. Well, man, I got to tell me, say tree broke down on the wire.
So you
then the tree no did cut down.
So you know a screwdriver could have tighten up them nut.
Then no the manager who run the work or the workman for tighten up them thing they were slack. Them slack, man. That me I tell you, say
probably
this
they
should
no
never happen, brother.
Probably they don't have no tool for tighten up them slack.
Then they not buy, look how much money we appear. So why then can't buy?
Can I sleep around 2 nights without light?
That fuck up my torment the first night. Bad. Me nah lie still a one night, me get without it.
Oh, you get back light before me?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck up.
But you fuck up, me torment, me could have dead in my sleep.
Them say bamboo they drop down from one light wire in a film community.
Yeah,
so through one bamboo, me no have no light for 3 days.
So them bamboo they could not cut down long time.
Me no know if JPS never have no mash yet.
That's your slacky system is doing.
That's why me did ask if they don't have no screwdriver.
So on, if your things spoil all now in a fridge,
yeah.
Who are going to give you back?
What you mean give you back?
Then hold on, me kill all 300 pound of chicken from where they fridge up.
Yeah. And current
and
down
the
for
next
2 days.
day, rain fall and current
yeah, for 2
then
days.
Then we fall.
So you did believe somebody will give you back your 300 pound
then me not
chicken?
forget pay for my chicken was spoiled.
From who?
No, the man who responds to current.
You did talk to him?
Me need to.
How who control it?
Me no know.
Then who you going to talk to, Cat?
Me talk to my Prime Minister and him talk to them.
Oh, tell him say you lose your 300 pound of chicken in your deep freeze.
Then you can't go more, so me know who we talk to you, me vote for you.
A big loss you lose still, you know, Cat?
Then know you mean. All me run up and down and buy all ice, a gas station and some wally pass up. They couldn't see the problem.
So we have to do it in chicken then?
No dumb.
Why you lose a lot?
So what go on? Who go pass back me at that?
You know if you go just bear that, Cat?
And still pay a light bill?
When you come this month, not pay none.
You're going to lose it.
Not pay none.
I don't like me no want pay, but what go happen to my value when me lose?
Nobody no response for that. No trouble the big man.
Trouble you?
Yes, it's no trouble him. So you're trying
So,
to...
I don't agree with that.
I know me agree with it. I know we do it. Current no gone.
15 copper.
Yeah, hurricane blow, or rain fall and light gone. Where you go if you 300 pound of chicken last? Spoil for your fridge.
Brother.
So you don't believe the thing should have more protect more than that. You know, say 1-2 day rain fall and current turn off. So tomorrow morning things can turn on back. If it have to turn off.
So you should have go your scat, but they not do it that way there. So I like me and you, we all want to simple man. We not just get fucked. And that reach we, you know. Me show you some whole heap of something out of my fridge, you know, cat. But here I know, me not really have nobody if you look too forward to get back nothing, you know. Because when me throw away, I not just where the current Ghana when me have to throw like one box of milk, piece of cow skin where me did have the for a little time, 2 chicken stepper.
So I beg you did beg them there?
Not really, but me not just call that a last cat. Current no gone.
No man, and a GPS buy them you give me.
So who me fi quarrel
Remember when
with?
light bill come, you can't tell GPS nothing, you know.
So who me fi quarrel with for me piece of cow skin?
GPS!
No sir, a fuck you tell me.
My JP is in band.
You
So
have to just be on the
them
last
make me
season.
not have current.
Yeah,
That's a
So
true.
and them me a pay me money to forget current.
yeah.
So where the
But you
fuck
buy
them
up a
fit
market.
make so much things to miss, boy?
So what make you
And
not
me
good
not
on
have
they go
nobody
quarrel?
to talk to.
So why you not good on a GPS
Me no
go
quarrel for
quarrel?
me sure.
Good on they go quarrel
So
with
if them
them.
watch it, them will see it. Yeah, yeah.
Tell them say you want back your piece of cow skin will spoil.
Yeah, yeah. I know that alone. Yes, my people, no big up on yourself here. No, I'm not no spoil.
In the blackout,
spoil
that
yeah,
too, bird.
over 2-3 days.
All right.
I still black out, you know.
Well, you
Hey.
know, can't get back to no music. Big up English.
Same
Bless up
way.
yourself,
With
brother.
the English then.
Load up the
Okay.
thing, man, because you
Straight.
don't know.
People
Forward
now
tell
gonna know
you,
say
yeah.
they are English till you know you dress like
The real border cat is here. You saw me and say, Syrian, big up yourself in the house. You don't know what time's up with it. Time's up, people just go and big up on yourself. One life family, we say, people, you don't know. Big respect for the little youth and the happy birth strong. You saw me and say, you don't know, say, many more for you little youth. You saw me and say, people, you don't know, say, you see after this. Syrian, I got just burn a decent and nice fire in here for all the fans, them, you know, so a party, you know, come out for say, you know. Nice up on yourself and have some good time. You see what I say? Big up yourself, 3 card, man. You don't know. Times up fans, them. You don't know. Big up on yourself. Me there in a live. What we not going with now? We just talk and make me hear what go on, you know, because we not like, we not fear nothing. Nobody know have nothing to ask and a question to say. What we not going with now?
Mr. Carpenter. That man is saying something for y'all.
You know, I'm
not ask Scat nothing in the car. I'm not ask Scat the foot up on video.
Right now, Syrian same no love how we dance all a lockdown from where there and the thing I cut short, so you don't know, so we salary I cut short too. That's what me I talk about.
And the girl them a say thing I go
So
short.
it's like, you don't know, so the girl them money I go short.
Yes, the girl them a go short.
And the turn race I go short to
Short
see
too.
everywhere, yes, so me I say
Yes,
so.
yes.
Everything I cut short, brother, so.
Because, oi.
Me not tell you, man,
Oi.
I biggest thing going for true, man. For real.
See, I shop down, I can't get no early morning sex again anymore. You have to beat for a
Yeah, woman, no have no time for the early
No,
morning
then the man
sex
has a
with you.
curfew, sir. The man
And
say
curfew, brother,
all that,
you can't do nothing
So
in
me
the
can't
morning.
sex before, me can't sex before 5 o'clock in the morning time. So how that go? How that go? When me can't sex before 5 o'clock. How
The
that
man
go?
say something like for your cocky and not for you.
Yeah. Hey, oi, me a married man. Me a married man, you know. Say woman, the cock. Oi, me a married man. Say cock. The woman who own the cock now. You understand? I go like a so ordinary cock.
Yeah, man, greetings with fans. I mean, I don't know. Big up on yourself, you know. You can see Border Cat is here, you know. So, 3 card, you want to go on, you know. Cool and relax, man, no cool and relax. Me know I'm not time for drive out in police jeep back. Me no want go down a GP, go sit down well flat. Man, I lead me like no sheep and goat in a flock. Remember pa me big body girl me left back. Oh, him kin brown and him body look fat. And now you there a prison end up in a dead stock. Ask me when me name, me say me name Border Cat it name. Cool and
Relax.